Hi everybody, welcome to this video.
I am Indah yovi Putri.
I am Vina adizha.
I am Chichi fitriani.
I'm Machranda.
I am Putri andini.
We are from Group 7, A1 class.
We are going to talk about review on herbal medicines.
The title of this video is The Amazing of Ginger as a Herbal Medicine.
Happy watching and hopefully
All of you can get useful information from this video. Tada!
Okay, the first is about the description of gingers will be explained by Putri andini. Okay, I will explain about the description of gingers. Gingers is usually found in grassland of humid regions, azawidi and herbaceous perennial herbs, which can be reached about 2 meters in height. The plant can be named differently in different parts of the world. For the example, Sankyang in Chinese, Adi or Adrak in India, Jahe or Alia in Indonesia, Jember in Dutch, Gingembre in French, Ingwer in German, Zenzero in Italy, and Gingembre in Spanish. Gingers belong to the family Zingibraceae and has about 85 species of aromatic herbs. The tuberous rhizomes of ginger has a specialist segment stem structure that grows horizontally just under the soil surface. The plant has narrow lanceolates to linear lanceolates, 50 until 30 cm long leaves, which die off each year and produce cluster of white and pink flowers bud that bloom into the yellow flower. Ginger is originate in Southeast Asia and it is the common spice widely used all over the world. Even though it is native to Southern Asia, ginger is commonly cultivated in the most tropical countries such as Jamaica, China, Nigeria, and Haiti. In general, it is believed to be commercially cultivated throughout the world. Next is about the active ingredients of gingers that will be explained by Vina adizha.
Active ingredients of gingers. In general, more than 60 active constituents are known to be present in gingers, which have been broadly divided into volatile and non-volatile compounds. The root of the plant is rich in inulin, allantollacton, antispasm, and essential oil. The powder rhizomes contains fatty oil, carbohydrates, protein, fiber, ash, water, and volatile oil. Nutraceutical compounds usually claimed to have medicinal value include gingerols, shogols, ingenols, gingerdiols, paradols, and zingeron. Gingerols are thought to be the most pharmacologically active components.
Okay, the next is about pharmacological activities. The first one is about lipolytic or cholesterol lowering properties by Vina adizha.
Owing to its different active ingredients, ginger is considered as a safe medicinal plant with only few and insignificant adverse effects. The health benefit of gingers: first, lipolytic or cholesterol-lowering properties. Ginger may reduce the rate of weight gain and hence adjust the body mass index or BMI. It can improve body composition by decreasing body fat levels and increasing soft lean mass or SLM. In addition, some enzymes such as acetyl-coenzyme A, acetyltransferase 1, and enoyl-CoA hydratase, which participate in the beta-oxidation of fatty acids, have been increased by the consumption of gingers. Moreover, ginger extract can prevent high-fat diet-induced obesity.
Okay, the second one is about ginger as an antioxidant and gastroprotective effects will be explained by Machranda.
As antioxidant. Antioxidants are the chemical substances that reduce or prevent oxidation stress and have the ability to counteract the damaging effect of free radical in tissue. According to Chakraborty et al., ginger are known to ease oxidant stress due to stimulation of superoxide dismutase, catalase, glutathione peroxide, and GSH activities. They are believed to protect against cancer, arteriosclerosis, heart disease, and several other diseases. According to Kikuzaki and Nakatani, about 40 antioxidant compounds have been discovered in gingers. Because of this, chemical ginger has shown a protect role to toxicity and lethality against some agents like carbon tetrachloride. It can also protect DNA from liposaccharide-induced oxidation damage in rat. Ginger oil can act as a scavenger or oxygen radical and may be used as an antioxidant. Gastroprotective effect. Ginger is the most proven herbal treatment for ulcer in human and horses, perhaps in other animals too. Ginger is a strong gastroprotectant that works by increasing mucin secretion, reducing the number of inflammatory cytokines, small protein that signal to the immune system to begin an inflammatory response in the stomach. As a treatment for ulcer when properly administered, ginger has shown to be as effective or better as cimetidine for treating ulcer. Ginger does help repair existing damage to the stomach lining as well, but it has no direct effect on controlling inflammation, mucosal prostaglandin E2 or PGE2 content, or reducing acidity in the stomach. According to et al., the protective effect of ginger against gastric ulcer may be attributable to both gingerol and sogol. Moreover, some active components of ginger, including gingerol and sogol, are reported to stimulate digestion, absorption, relieve constipation, and flatulence by increasing muscular activity in the digestive tract.
Okay, the next is about gingers as anti-tumor activity and effects on cardiovascular system that will be explained by Chichi Fitriani.
Anti-tumor activity. Ginger and its constituents show a vital effect in the control of tumor development through upregulation of tumor suppressor gene, induction of apoptosis, and inhibition of VEGF pathway. Angiogenic factors such as VEGF, vascular endothelial growth factor, and FGF, fibroblast growth factor, play a significant role in the development and progression of tumor. Therefore, inhibition of VEGF and FGF is an important step in the prevention of tumor development or management. The active ingredient 6-gingerol has considerable role in the suppression of neoplastic transformation, hyperproliferation, and inflammatory processes that involve in various steps of carcinogenesis, angiogenesis, and metastasis. Several studies have shown that the ginger has promising effect for liver cancer, breast cancer, prostate cancer, and colorectal carcinomas through its device effects on cardiovascular system. Ginger is used to improve the flow of body fluids including blood. It stimulates blood circulation throughout the body by powerful stimulatory effect on the heart muscle and by dilating blood. A Japanese study showed that active constituents in ginger reduce the blood pressure and decrease cardiac workload. Ginger has been shown to inhibit platelet aggregation and to decrease platelet thrombation production in vitro. Ginger reduces the formation of pro-inflammatory prostaglandins and thrombation, thus lowering the clotting ability of the blood. Ginger can also prevent the increase in cholesterol levels following intake of cholesterol-rich diet.
Okay, the next is about anti-diabetic activity of gingers and neuroprotective effects. explained by Indah Yovi.
Anti-diabetic activities of ginger. Ginger and its constituents should be for in the control of the diabetes and the associated complication via its anti-hyperglycemic effect. Studies on animals models showed that ginger extra and ginger juice have significant blood glucose lowering effect of hyperglycemic activity both in diabetic and non-diabetic groups. Although the exact mechanism of action of ginger in diabetes control is not still fully understood, inhibition of oxidative stress and anti-inflammatory process could be another possible mechanism. Ginger show antagonistic activity against serotonin receptor. Moreover, it inhibits the activity of intestinal glucosidase and amylase, resulting in the reduction of glucose absorption. Animal-based studies further indicated that ability of CGN to increase plasma insulin levels and to improve diabetes indicate myocardial diastolic dysfunction and enhance the relation and the Ca2 plus transient decay rate. Neuroprotective effect. Ginger plays an important role in the improvement of symptoms in patients who suffer from Alzheimer's and other neurological diseases. The neuroprotective effect is partly attributable to an antagonistic action of ginger root extract on monosodium glutamate effect. So the monoamine content was increased. From this result, we can say that the ginger extract has a neuroprotective role against monosodium glutamate toxicity effect. Experimental trials on animals model further indicate that gingerol and other constituents of ginger were found to be effective in alleviating neuropathic pain, to block prion peptide-mediated neurotoxicity, and to be strong antidepressant.
Okay, the last one is about conclusions. Will be explained by myself. Ginger is one of the well-known medicine herbs that are used both by the traditional healers and in some modern treatment modalities. Research output suggests that the intrastructural compounds of ginger can have values of a complementary treatment for several forms of cancer and will move of both of human and animals. Moreover, several studies are underway to identify the most valuable activity ingredients responsible for the presumed therapeutic effects and formulate commercially and therapeutically feasible medicine from these ingredients. Weighting the different stage of clinical trial and authentication of formulate drugs from the plants, the existing preclinical information is sufficient to recommend ginger and its extract as a complementary treatment options for some diseases of human and animals in research poor communities. Okay, that's the video from group 7. Hope this video can be useful and hope you guys like it. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh.